The question was asked, find the gradient, of a line through 2, 3 and 6, 11. So to solve this question, I told my students that what they need is just to recall the formula for the gradient of a line given 2 points. M is equals to y2 minus y1 over s2 minus x1. So we all know that this is x1, this is y1, this is s2, and this is y2. So what we need to do is to say this is y2. No, sorry. This is x1, y1, this is s2, y2. So what I will do is I will just substitute what I have from the question into the formula. So this will be 11 minus 3, divide everything by 6 minus 2. So what we are going to have now is going to be 11 minus 3. That is going to give me, that is 11, remove, that's going to be 8. 6 minus 2, that's going to be 4. So 4 here 1, 4 here 2. So M is equals to 2. That's the gradient of the line given 2 points. Not wasting time.